Welcome to Body Make and Health Management. Today, we're uncovering a hidden obstacle in your fitness journey: inflammation. You might be training hard and sleeping well, but if you're still battling soreness, fatigue, or stubborn fat, the real issue could be on your plate. Fitness isn't just about calories or hours in the gym. The quality of your food sends powerful signals to your body. Think of your body as a high-performance engine. The right fuel helps it thrive, while the wrong fuel, processed foods, creates chronic, low-grade inflammation that sabotages your progress. This silent inflammation can make recovery harder, drain your energy, and stall fat loss. But here's the good news. You have the power to change this by choosing foods that support your body, not inflame it. Let's dive in and discover how to unlock your true potential. Chapter 1. What is this inflammation we keep hearing about? So, what is inflammation? At its core, it's your body's natural defense. Think of the swelling after a twisted ankle. Acute inflammation is short-term and essential for healing. The problem starts when this response never shuts off, turning into chronic low-grade inflammation. Imagine a fire alarm that never stops blaring. Your body is always on high alert. This constant state is triggered by stress, lack of sleep, toxins, and especially the foods we eat. Chronic inflammation quietly wears down your body, damaging cells and organs. It's a root cause of many chronic diseases and makes fitness progress feel like building on shaky ground. For your fitness, this means slower recovery, more soreness, and stalled results. Understanding and addressing inflammation is key to unlocking better performance. Let's see what's fueling this internal fire. Chapter 2. The foods that fuel the fire within. What's lighting the fires of inflammation? The modern Western diet. Ultra-processed foods, refined sugars, and industrial seed oils top the list. Sugary drinks and snacks spike blood sugar, triggering inflammatory messengers that slow muscle repair. Industrial seed oils like soybean, corn, and canola are everywhere and create an unhealthy omega-6 to omega-3 balance, promoting inflammation. Refined carbs and trans fats found in white bread and packaged snacks act like sugar in the body and are especially damaging. These foods keep your body in a constant state of repair, never allowing true recovery. The result? More soreness, less muscle growth, and stalled fat loss. To move forward, we need to swap out these inflammatory foods. Chapter 3. How hidden inflammation sabotages your hard work. Chronic inflammation isn't just a minor issue, it directly blocks your fitness goals. When your body is inflamed, muscle recovery slows and soreness lingers. Your repair crew is overwhelmed, so you feel stiff and can't train as hard or as often. Inflammation also drains your energy, leaving you tired and unmotivated no matter how much you sleep. It disrupts your hormones, making fat loss harder by causing insulin resistance and constant hunger. This creates a vicious cycle. Inflammation leads to more fat, and more fat fuels more inflammation. If you're stuck in a rut despite your efforts, inflammation could be the missing link. The solution? Cool the fire from within. Let's build your anti-inflammatory toolkit. Here's how to start. Chapter 4. Your anti-inflammatory toolkit. The best news? Food can put out the fire. Build your diet around whole, colorful plants. Vegetables and fruits are packed with antioxidants that fight inflammation. Eat the rainbow: daily leafy greens, berries, carrots, and more. Each offer unique protective compounds. Swap sugary breakfasts for smoothies with greens and berries, and trade chips for veggies with guacamole. Healthy fats are crucial. Focus on omega-3s from fatty fish, salmon, sardines, walnuts, and flax seeds. Replace processed oils with extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil. Herbs and spices like turmeric, ginger, and garlic are natural anti-inflammatories. Add them to meals for both flavor and healing. Small changes like these swaps give your body the tools to recover and thrive. Your kitchen is your best recovery room. Let's make it work for you. Chapter 5. Simple steps to cool the flames and boost your fitness. Reducing inflammation doesn't require a total overhaul, just smart, simple steps. Focus on real food, fresh produce, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Shop the perimeter of the grocery store and avoid processed foods in the center aisles. Clean up your fats. Ditch industrial seed oils and use olive, avocado, or coconut oil instead. Boost omega-3s by eating fatty fish or taking a quality supplement. Cut back on sugar and refined flour. Read labels and swap sugary drinks for water or herbal tea. Choose whole food carbs like sweet potatoes and brown rice for steady energy. Support your gut with fermented foods, yogurt, kimchi, and prebiotic fiber, garlic, onions, bananas. These steps lower inflammation, speed recovery, and boost your fitness results. Start small and build momentum. Remember, you can't out-train a bad diet. Every bite sends instructions to your body. Choose foods that cool inflammation and support recovery. Progress isn't about perfection. It's about making better choices, one meal at a time. Over time, these choices transform your energy, mood, and results in the gym. Nutrition is the foundation of lasting health and fitness. You have the power to build a resilient, strong body. Start with one change today. Thanks for joining Body Make and Health Management. For more tips, follow our channel. Here's to your health.